You need one job.
You
Yeah.
have networking skills, that is the best one and the easiest way to get a job in. There are two strategies which you can follow. So if you have a genuine connections, you are.
Before we start, do subscribe the channel.
Right now, planning to work here during your OPT period.
Yeah.
Now, what is it that you see are going to be, what is your strategy for getting a job here?
So there are two strategies which you can follow. The first one is doing the number of applications, like you are sitting and applying to each and every roles that you saw. And the second one is networking. So for me, networking is not a good choice as what I feel. And I'm on the second strategy. I'm doing the applications.
You're doing the application.
Right now, like I am searching for internships, and after internship, I'll be searching for the full-time roles. So the best thing I can say is the do number of applications as much as you can.
But yeah, I think always it's good to have build a network and
That is the best one. If you
Yeah.
have networking skills, that is the best one and the easiest way to get a job in.
in any case that you should try and try and meet as many people as
Yeah,
you can.
Like I am doing the applications, but I am attending the networking events too.
Yeah.
Northeastern, like last event I have attended was for PNG.
Mm-hmm.
Gillette, they had the headquarters in Boston.
Right.
So Northeastern organized an event. Means they organized an event with in hands with the Northeastern, and we were supposed to attend that. It was basically for the business school. So I have attended that event. I talked to many of the recruiters. One of them was Amazon, from Sanofi.
So it was like a networking career fair kind
it
of an
was
event.
A kind of networking event where you go and sit and talk with the recruiters and anyone from that other. You can discuss about your career, how they come across that career, or what steps should you follow to reach them. So like people here are so nice. They'll talk to you very good.
Yeah.
And I also talk to many of the recruiters.
Yeah.
I'm not in a touch with them now because they already have many work to do.
Yeah.
I have given a follow up, but yeah, I didn't get a
Response yet. But yeah, I think in the model of following up is keep following up.
Ah,
Don't give up.
like if you will go in 10-20 networking events,
Yes.
maybe you will end up making one or two connections.
Yes.
So if you have a genuine connections, you are good.
You need one job, so that is all that matters.
Check out the full video in our live session and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more study abroad updates.